Hola bafethu kunjani? Nto zabantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, naniyazi ngihambe ngedwa, ngihamba no?
Shapa fethu kunjani kamera mingithini mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one.
Hey, namhlanje ithanda kuba tricky ngoba wayigama silazi. But ke sikhuluma ke bafana idlala Nicaragua. Ningangijaji bafethu.
Nicaragua.
Yeah. We'll touch base on the squad sebafana kancane and then bese sibuka ukuthi izosiza ngani le game le. Because I think that's what is important more than just ukuthi i-opponent asiyazi. Asibuke ke isquad sebafana. It was announced on Wednesday ukuthi this is ama representative azosimela. Abuya nayo ke that's as per president wethu.
Hey.
Yeah, awusho mnumzane. Asiqale okay goalkeeper I think there's something to talk about goalkeeper. You came here and you told us ukuthi this is your goalkeeper. Uhappy awukho happy mawungekho happy kupla ungekho happy khona.
Nah, I think it's obvious. I'm not happy with leaving behind Peterson. You know that. Obvious, because if Babi's basic performance, he was supposed to be there without any doubt. You know.
Yeah.
I don't know because why is there? Maybe like we always say, the coach had to leave again. But besides that, I don't know why he's part of those goalkeepers. So obviously, I'm not happy with Peterson being left behind.
Okay.
But he will take it and support the boys.
Okay. Simove my defenders. I'm trying to get into a video. See shooter ukuthi sikhave bafana against the Nicaragua. Defenders. We have got 11 defenders. Do you have anything to say about that before looking into individuals?
See, look at defender. See, look at defender. Looking at the number, I was like, hey, what's the Baba Ning Lavand? Yeah, I think there are so many. I don't know. But maybe Mtamba Manyos or this go my position, we don't know. But there are so many of them. Maseta Pek, I just not true.
Oh, yeah, but four.
Oh, imagine.
BC, Ikone, Makanya, Mbogas.
Four. So I don't know. See, look at defender that. But maybe not playing coach. But there are so many. So
okay.
But looking at those people that are there, I'm happy with a lot of them. But Makanya, I've never seen him play.
Yeah, but that's for you to check.
Yeah, never seen him play, especially being part of this Bafana type of thing.
Yeah.
You know. But because as coaches, Baba Boga, so we shall support.
Ukhona umfisa uhambe ongahambanga
Good
defenders says.
No, but I think it's Morena. Is it Morena?
Morena is injured.
It's injured, so I understand what but it would be nice to have him because he can give you your Pambi, he can come back and defend the place. You know, we can change the game. So, but other than that, I think it's okay.
Okay. Midfielders, 4 of them. Or do you think when I deserve khona or you feel like khona fanele ngabe khona?
Obviously, ngizoba bias and then we should leave my boy as part of the setup. Looking at last AFCON, I was not happy with Ustole, but it's still part of the setup. Coach, which means I believe again. So we will take the 4 that we have because the rest is feeling happy about the 3. So Adams, Umkwena, no talent. I'm okay with that. So you know.
Okay. Abashayi bamagoli ke manje. Abadabula bamane.
Actually, I was happy. I was happy. You know, some of them for me was obvious because of the squad.
Okay.
But I was happy to see Urenas being called. Finally, we have him. I was happy because you know with Mahova and Uleli. Value because of Babiza, but to include Urenas, I was so happy. You know, it's giving us something ehlukile and we in it. So the rest of we are happy. We are happy. I'm just hoping we will score the World Cup.
Imagine. You don't think it's khona mhlambe winga being a qamuka or number 10 ohlukile, especially controversial phela sikhuluma ngozwane.
Yeah,
was not been getting game time with Sundowns.
Yeah. No. Okay, good preliminary bekanayo ne. Maybe we could have taken Umaswanga.
Okay.
You know, we could have taken because he's been a key player with Orlando Pirates in most games. And then if you look at Themba Zwane, mhlawumbe sothola ukuthi experience nokuthi coach mhlawumbe say he learned to believe kuyena. But for me, I feel like Themba Zwane, I don't know. Besingamshiye. Still
Okay. All right. I hear you. Angifuna ukuthi sibe vele right now we're supposed to support the teams.
Yeah.
But mocabanga ukudlalela i-team enkulu kudlala iphi role kubadlali abancane or abadlali abashisayo kuma teams amancane?
Wangiphindela question ukudlalela i-team enkulu.
Yes, ukudlalela i-team enkulu eSouth Africa. Kudlala iphi role ekubizweni kahle kahle or representing i-squad kubadlali abangadlali kona ama-team amakhulu, but we know very well like nje ngizokwenzela isibonelo ngoNdlovu. You know what he deserves to be there.
Yeah. I think phela ukhumbule ukuthi I don't think ama coaches they pay attention to your Golden Arrows is playing KZN Derby, Richards Bay, and then on the other side, let's say Orlando Pirates is playing even Polokwane. They'll go watch Pirates and Polokwane. Hence, you have your Matulud in most cases, you know. So playing for small teams, it's not working. But he gets in it. We've seen it with Ndlovu. It's a very good player.
Yeah.
At least now preliminary, at least he get missing a preliminary to show what you are being recognized, you know.
Yeah.
Because right now, I think focus on your pick 3.
Yeah. Okay. Let's get a good topic of the day, man. Okay. Okay, let me summarize the squad. We are going there to defend. Yes, it might be a joke, but it's a serious joke. It's and it's not even this is how we've been applying ourselves. Remember, semi-final AFCON. We were defending most of the games as a winner, first defend. Even Nale, we were not as fluid. Sapuma will last 16, but we were not as fluid. So mhlambe ngenze ukuthi coach ngoba kuthiwa i-contract yakhe yaphela makuphela le World Cup. Mhlambe i-personnel esiyidingayo, personnel will encourage the players to attack even more, because njengamanje philosophy yakhe and uma ubheka ama opponents that will be playing there vele now ama opponents angaphezu kwethu ngokweplay. All of them. We will count Mexico. We're not imaging Mexico. County Czech Republic, South Korea, all of them, we are not in their level. They are not the best, but we are not in their level either. But kuyasibheka ke manje ke ngoba ekugcineni kosuku sipreparela la ama teams ngale Nicaragua yazi ngiyabona sengikhohle. Yes, Nicaragua. Do you think it's a right fit opponent to prepare?
No, I think it's like Scala ukuthi bafana. Even you prepare for AFCON, we complain ukuthi why is prepare abantu abalow kakhulu nginathi ke manje. Namanje sodlala in the country ngayazi ngicala ukuze Nicaragua. But ngoba yase America ke mhlambe bazodla nebhola engasi line America sikazi ukuthi kuzosiza kanjani lokho. It's not gonna work. But whatever is going to happen, what we're gonna, especially with starting lineup, how we're going to be set up for against Nicaragua, which means Inter is preparing for a World Cup. So if you start about Nicaragua, we are being defensive, then we already have the picture.
The problem when Rams is the fact that we may overpower those people.
Because it's undermined.
And we think that we are doing things the right way. Masfia World Cup,
it's like Mexico,
it's a different story now. You know?
Yeah, but I'm just hoping with whatever we're going to do in Nicaragua, building to the first game, we will just rectify where we need to rectify. Because obviously, my coaches are something in Lungis. But you can't tell me what Lungis are going to defend.
Yeah, because you cannot approach that game friendly with a defensive mindset. You know.
So as I'm basically attack, must say attack us more good. You go players limala corner, must attack and then you just fix the. But I would just defend Mexico type of thing.
But we would like to see more combinations. I mean, especially swing. I would like to see different combinations. I don't think Umkwena will play because he's coming from ICAF. But I would like to see Adams. Mhlambe naye kusithola it's fine. Because it's two different profiles.
Yeah.
Whereas Adams no Mbatha, they are more similar. Or even Mbatha naye usithole.
Yeah.
Different profiles. And see what ama combinations asebenza kanjani there.
Because Vele Adams is used playing with Mkwela.
Yes.
So you don't have to try it because you know how it works.
Yeah.
You know. So I agree. Mbatha and Usithole. Let's see.
Yeah.
But I see us winning. What can we say?
Yeah. But tune in. I think it came in Kalango.
6.
Yeah, on
today.
Friday. 6.
Friday, today.
Yeah. Perfect. Tune in, support Bafana. Let's keep this thing going. Yes, yeah. What is your win? We cannot think of anything. Vele will criticize because football, everyone has their own opinion.
Before Svan, laba abathi bona kune Mexican Chiefs. Intenga yakho leyo.
Hey, asazi ke ile.
Buffett, comment down below. We're going to play in Nicaragua. Are we winning this one, preparing to the World Cup? Asizwe ngani?
Yeah.